Hi guys, I got a new look. How do you like it?
Your new look looks so beautiful.
Aw, thank you.
No problem.
Wait, what happened? Yes, it is.
Stop copying Veneria's voice.
Another Tralalero Tralala.
Why did you call me?
Also, I don't want anyone
Hi
blocking.
there. I'm Tung Sahur.
Stop repeating Tung.
Music has factored.
I can't
Not
believe
again.
Penny Crygor gave us a Kilscreen.
You honestly need good grammar.
Sulfur monoxide.
Stop saying me
Sulfur
monoxide.
monoxide.
I'm now raging at you. And whenever I rage, I raise my voice.
Oh fuck. I said stop swearing.
You're making me furious. Stop
the demon's
swearing.
voice.
Did you hear me?
No.
Now it's time to shoot you with my gun. Say your goodbyes.
It's not. Penny is starting to get.
That is what you get for saying no when I said, did you hear me?
More classy effects.
Why this so creepy?
Stop copying.
No. We just want to burn this OS.
What do you want from me right now?
And this startup is all red.
Tough screen.
Why? Because it's burning.
Oh, God.
Are you kidding me? I didn't talk all this whole time?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Stop. No.
Last chance.
Are you kidding me? The last chance?
If there is fatal error, we lose the.
I changed back. Also stop talking about fatal errors. I'm summoning Hilda Jump Scare.
Don't you
Don't
dare.
you dare.
You know what? That's it. I'm gonna destroy the whole scene.
No, please don't do it.